Hi, I'm Brielle Benyon for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a look at what's inside our 2019 Rare Cancers special issue. Her breast implants were deemed safe, but Terry Diaz will tell you they cost her 10 years of her life. Stories like hers have pushed breast implant illness and a rare cancer associated with implants into the spotlight. In our cover story, we share what women need to know. Next, the first center for Lynch Syndrome is now open. The inherited condition predisposes people to many different types of cancer. Learn more about the dedicated space within the pages of this issue. And patients with some of the rarest brain and spinal cancers can get free medical advice at National Cancer Institute designated brain cancer clinics. Cure takes you inside the operation that has left lasting positive experiences for many patients. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publication and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.